Welcome to a new episode of Depreciation Nation, and if you drive an early 2000s BMW like the car behind me right here, and you are throwing bank 1, bank 2 lean codes, you are throwing random misfire codes, or you are replicating symptoms similar to what you would replicate with a blown head gasket, this video is for you. And so, in my hands, what you will see here is actually the crankcase ventilation valve, which is also known as the PCV system from other manufacturers, and this is actually the oil separator that pulls the vacuum on oil vapor to keep the oil vapor down in the motor and to prevent it from actually going out the exhaust. And when these go bad, they cause lots of issues. Now, I can't tell you how many times I have been on forums or the Facebook groups or really anywhere that I see people asking why their car's throwing lean bank 1, bank 2 codes, why they're throwing symptoms that are synonymous with a blown head gasket, so on and so forth. So, in this video, we are going to replace this valve and the 4 associated vacuum lines that go along with it. Now, dealer quoted $600 for this repair. I'm going to tell you that my boots were in very good shape, so I didn't buy FCP Euro's kit, which retails for around 135 bucks. Comes with your intake boots and a number of other components. So in this video, all we replaced was the crankcase ventilation valve, the 4 associated vacuum lines, the dipstick tube O-ring, and the throttle body gasket. So, without further ado, let's get into it. And so that wraps up the replacement of this pesky valve right here. In a lot of situations, because these cars are older and because these cars have higher miles on them, a lot of times a repair that's $500 or $600 would be enough to cause somebody to go ahead and replace the vehicle. In this particular situation, I spent $95 on the kit to replace all of the components that we replaced in the video, and it was much more reasonable. Now, the process is a little bit lengthy. You've got to remove your idle control valve and your throttle body, as you saw in the video, but we went ahead and we replaced the needed gaskets along with that. And so we performed some preventative maintenance, but all in all, I was $95 into this project, and you could be too. So remember, hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen if you have a car like this, or if you like videos like this. And we constantly interview celebrity automotive legends, racers, and you never quite know what you're going to see on your channel. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss, and we'll talk to you next time.